Sawadee Cup from Isan. I thought I'd share with you a short video this morning. I'm showing a new location of where we put what I call Easter Island statue, which, if you know of the Easter Islands, they have some weird sort of cubic statues that are sort of one of the wonders of the world as to why they're there and who made them. We picked up our statue late last year, and I put it in one place in the garden, which I was never really that happy with, and so this week we've moved it to another location that's more dramatic. We have two ways to get through to the house once you come in. One to the right of the carport, which takes you direct to the front door, and then there's this entrance here, which is to the left and takes you through the tropical gardens and through to the house, if that's where you want to go. And I've decided to put the Easter man at the end of this entrance path, and I think he looks pretty good there. So to the left here we have there's a shed, a storage shed, garden shed, the rice hut in front of that, and behind the storage shed there's a big undercover clothes drying area. You never know when it's going to rain in Isan, so I do recommend that. And then at the end of this path we have the Easter Island man, who I think is looking pretty settled in his new location. To the left of me here, Gun made a feature which I've already covered several times before, but it just gets better all the time. With this statue we got close to Nong Khai, and then these plants have all established, and it looks as though it's been here for 100 years, but in fact it's only been here for maybe 6 months or less. I love this guy. He's really rough cut. Some villager did it, but I think he has character and presence, and he makes an impact as you come into the tropical gardens. And then this turning right is where you'd go to, and at the end turn right again, to go into the outside living space and into the house, if that's where you're heading, and then round to the left takes you through to this central pot, from which about 5 paths head out into the tropical garden. You can walk around those to explore the space, which on a day like today is looking pretty damn good, I tell you. Okay, on behalf of me and my Easter Island man, thank you for watching. We'll catch you next time. Sawadee Cup.